Have you ever felt that time was slipping by too fast? Every day, we rush after work, after the chaos of making a living, after numbers, after things that sometimes aren't truly important. But, have you ever asked yourself, and have you ever paused just to listen to the ticking sound of your own heart? On this long, winding road of life, filled with challenges and noise, sometimes stopping for a moment to listen to a meaningful story can help you realize that slowing down might bring far more goodness than you think. So now, let's pause together and listen to this story from Calm Mind Stories. At the end of a quiet little street, there lived an old man who repaired clocks. Every morning, he sat in his small room, surrounded by dozens of antique clocks, listening to their steady tick-tock, so familiar, so peaceful. One day, a young man stopped by. He looked at one of the old clocks and said, "Sir, your clock runs slower than my phone. Maybe it's time to get a new one." The old man smiled. A gentle smile, warm as the afternoon sun. He said softly, "Being a little slower isn't such a bad thing, my boy. This old clock reminds me that when we live too fast, we forget the ticking sound of life itself." That night, when the young man returned home, he turned off his phone, opened the window, and sat quietly, listening to the wind whisper across the roof. For the first time, he felt that time was no longer rushing away. It was staying right there with him. And in that stillness, he smiled softly, as if he had just understood something profound. Slowing down isn't about falling behind. It's about finally seeing that you are truly alive. So slow down a little, and you'll realize this life has always been beautiful.